Thanks for being with us.
Powder weaken a powerful hurricane or maybe end a drought. A Palm Beach Gardens man says he can do it, and today he got his chance to prove it. Was he successful? We turn to News 12's Chuck Weber in the newsroom with more on this. Chuck?
Well, Chandra, we just got back from being out on the water in a boat. Sky 12 was up in the air, and you'll be able to see from our video here this cloud seeding operation may have some potential for hurricanes. A crop dusting plane flying 3 miles off Jupiter drops powder into a cloud. Peter Cordani of Palm Beach Gardens here believes this is the way you can break up clouds and maybe even weaken hurricanes.
If it's successful today, it'll be very exciting news and a beautiful gift to society, I believe.
The powder the crop duster is dropping into the cloud is a water-absorbing polymer. The pilots in our news helicopter report the top of the cloud seems to be breaking up.
What they just told us, it did dissipate the top of the cloud, and that's exactly what we're looking for.
To better understand what just happened, let's go to Cordani's lab at his Riviera Beach business.
This will be the plane flying over. We're going to seed the cloud. We've just seeded the cloud.
Mixed in water, the polymer powder forms a gel. Cordani says in a cloud in the right amount, that gel will fall to the ground, breaking up the cloud. But what about the environmental impact? Cordani says the gel is biodegradable.
As soon as it hits the ground, if the ground's nice and dry, it will absorb it and extract all the moisture out of the polymer.
The rest, he says, will evaporate, and when the gel hits salt water, it dissolves. Cordani says he'll be back on the ocean soon for another try with more powder this time. Cordani came up with this idea from his business, which is selling products that absorb oil and other substances. The trick may be finding the right equipment and getting large enough amounts of this powder to actually do some effective work in a hurricane. We'll keep